This is the Piboy project, and just a quick little update video. I've been busy working out a few things as far as the design and layout goes over the past few weeks and trying to make sure everything works. I thought I'd just do a quick little update on where we're at with all this. I just kind of have everything hooked up. It's kind of a mess of wires right now. It certainly will be cleaned up. But I'm just going to go ahead and apply power and just give you guys a quick little demo of where we're at. I just have this hooked up to a wall switch on the side. So I've since modified the 3.5-inch screen to run off just 5 volts instead of using the 5 volt to 12 volt up converter. What I don't have yet is I don't have this working on the battery yet. I do have a battery. I just have to get some parts for that. Okay. There's still a protective cover on the screen, so I'm not sure how well this is going to show up, but this is this is Emulation Station, or RetroPie with Emulation Station running. The controls on our Game Boy, let me just flip this over. We'll talk about the tape in a minute here. The controls are working. Again, I hope this shows up on screen here. Let's go over to Nintendo. I just have a couple games loaded on here now just for testing it all. But as you can see, that's all working and loading. Gotta hit the start button. I'm not gonna try to play this. I'll just move the buttons real quick. As you can see, we've got jump, we've got fire, select, and start. And if we do select and start together, actually, let me just try something real quick. That resets. Select B resets. And I need to map that to another button. But anyway, select start should restart us or get us back to RetroPie there, which it does. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this off for a minute and talk about a few things we're doing. So what I have here is I have another screen in here. This is just for testing and making sure everything fits. It's the same screen that I'm using here. But one of the things I was looking at was making sure it all fits inside the case, because the layout I'm going to try to go with, let me get this back in frame here. I'm going to put my battery up here, probably flip it over so the wires are up here by the switch. The Pi, if I just get this over here real quick. This thing doesn't have to be readily accessible. I'm not going to glue the Pi itself in here, but I have a few thoughts on getting it in and out. But I'm just going to try to fit this down to the very bottom tray. Since I've taken the ports off, I can put the battery right on top. I'll kind of put the switch up here like so. Let's see if I can. This USB port will be over here. Probably like that. There you go, just tying up the wires. My charging circuit and everything is going to be mounted over here on this side. I have the parts, they're somewhere else right now. Let me just see if I can get this in here. So I'm just going to feed the wires through one of the open holes for now, just to get it all together, but this closes up pretty well. Just trying to tuck the wires, at least get them in the openings. Here we go. So those wires will be inside, but wires aside here, if I can just get them out of the way. There we go. Well, it'll certainly go once it's all tucked in there. If I can just get this corner. There we go. So that'll all fit with the screen. I just got this is just a broken screen just taped in there for right now. So I'm sure I've just got something kind of poking up on the side there, but maybe I can try just to put it all in here and maybe try that. Just to see. Fits pretty well. Yeah. Have to clean this. Certainly clean this up. There we go. So it's kind of what I'm thinking. I've got some wires just kind of hanging out the sides here and the bottom. That's okay. It'll all be shortened up, tucked away. But again, just a quick little update. The next episode is going to be kind of getting this stuff mounted in, getting the charging circuit and the up converter installed, and really kind of starting to put the final pieces together on this whole thing. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.